Good day, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware risk in the future trading. Uh, Before I start with the new auto trade, I'd like to show a couple of charts that were done in the morning, not a whole day. And those are the swing trading. We're not gonna use time on the swing trading. We go directly. The Nasdaq 1130 finished around a couple thousand. The ES finished around 1130, 3,350. The Nasdaq on the 5 minutes got 4,200 and it was done around 1230. And then we have the ES 5 minutes. It was done around 1250 and it did 3,500. And then I think, yeah, there is one more, the YM. Did 3,500. This is the new auto trade. On all the new auto trades, most of them they are straight out of the box, and we just tested a different setting in every single time frame. It did hit the target for today. This one here is optimized, that's why it's on a different color based on two contract. It is an excellent scalping system, and this is the Nasdaq based on 4 minutes. All of them, they are based, all the white charts, they are based on two contract, and so this one here is also based on two contract, the ES 5 minutes, the Nasdaq 3 minutes, 2000, and they are straight out of the box, no tweaking, no optimization, CL 1300. So we are testing it before we release it on Monday, so sometimes you might see the stop losses are a little bit off or something because we are just testing it as is. The Nasdaq on the 5 minutes, 1360 with a different setting, and then the YM 1 minute, 1500. All the CL 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, they hit the target. We only tested on 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 and 4 and 5. We don't go into those Ranko bars and all this nonsense. The YM 3 minutes did very well. The CL, all the CL did hit the target, including the ES without any optimization. 2000 on the Nasdaq 2 minutes, ES 4 minutes, different setting, and 1400, and it is really interesting. And then we have the YM 5 minutes, and then we have the 2 minutes ES and the YM they all hit the target. We're only using from 1 to 5 minutes. Another test I'm doing is this one here. This one here is straight out of the box. Has, when you get it out of the box, has 4 contracts, but you can go 8 contracts if you want to use micro account. You can use 1 contract if you want to, or 2 contract, whatever you want. And this auto trade straight out of the box with no target, with no daily target. We started today at 9:30 with it, and now it is finished. And it is about to hit a little over 2000. We can see the the trades, and you can see from here there is no optimization. As you see, there is some targets, they are very close because has not been optimized. The things is we covered on the other channel today. You can see when the market was on a sideway, we're not using any filter. There is no filter needed. And when the market is sideways, it stayed out of the trade. And this is the whole problem with the traders when there is a flat market. Most of them, they cannot see it. They are amateur trader, they cannot see it. And then they get in trouble with heavy losses. So what we have done this specifically to avoid the chop in the market. I mean, there is around 20 auto trade in your package. There is a reversal, institutional auto trade. There is a complex auto trade, and yet there is a simple auto trades with a scalper, and you can see how the trade behaved today. So this is very good, and also let's say on the 5 minutes you can take less trade and straight out of the box, but it will be more conservative. Let's try also if we want to take the 2 minutes. There is no daily target on the 2 minutes. It's the same story, just finished the trade, and I think just finished the trade. Yes, just finished the trade. And it is, look what happened here is a small stop loss, but it really stayed out of trouble most of the time. And this is exactly what we want to see. We want to see the auto trade staying out of trouble. Again, it will be released on Monday, and we will provide you some templates on Monday. Of course, it's ready to be used immediately if you want to try on micro account. If you want to, that's up to you. I want to say thank you very much. God bless you all and wish you a pleasant day. Bye.